Hello, hi. So, in the series of interview questions, this is a new one. It is called FizzBuzz. So, this is the most common and simplest questions that are asked in interviews. So, this question is just asked to know if the user knows to code. It's very simple, but we'll be seeing the two ways in which we can do this. So they ask you to print the numbers from 1 to 100, but if it is divisible by 3, we print fizz. If it is divisible by 5, we say biz. And if it is divisible by both 3 and 5, then we say fizz biz. Otherwise, for all the other numbers, we just print the number. So let's go ahead and see how it works. I'll just add a for loop to iterate from 1 to 100, and I go ahead and start with if conditions. Remember, this is just a basic max. Like in if the number is divisible by both 3 and 5, then the number is divisible by 15. So I'm taking that into consideration here. So and I'm using a modulo operator. So when I use modulo operator, and if the remainder is 0, then it means the number is completely divisible by the denominator. So I say if I is divisible by 15, then print FizzBuzz else if, and then we go for individual 3 and 5. So if divisible by 3, then print fizz. Yes, if 5, then print biz. Yes, in all the other cases, just print the number, which is I. So let me check if this runs properly. Something wrong here. Okay, I missed this. Yeah. So here we go. Just keep an eye on this count. Now we'll go and check the other way. So I'll be using switch. So switch has something called as pattern matching. I mean, it's a little cool thing to use, and let's see how that works. So I have a function which tells print fizz biz, and I'll pass the value. Type int, and I have my switch case here. So what will my switch condition take is I divisible by 3 is equal to 0, and I divisible by 5 is equal to 0. So again the conditions are same, like see, if it is divisible by both 3 and 5, then it is fizzbus. So I say if it is the evaluation is true comma true, then print fizzbus. Just copy this for all the other cases, and if the case is true, it is divisible by 3 but not by 5, then fizz. If it is divisible just by 5, then it is biz. If none of the condition works, it falls down to default, and in that case just print I. Now I'll again add for loop. The same, of course, I can copy it from here. So in this case, I'll call print FizzBuzz and I pass I. So let's check how this works. And we have your two sets, the one from the first method and the other one from the second method. But the important thing to note here is the order of complexity is same for either of the methods. It's the same number of times that the code is getting run, but it is just the different way you can showcase that how you could solve this problem. So that is all about the simplest fizzbiz problem for you. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and hit on that like button if you like this video. Thank you.